Hello everyone. Right, tonight we've got pork sausages in the air fryer. Now for those of you out there that cook sausages, you'll know, especially if you do them in the oven, you've got to have the oven to heat up, put the sausages in, keep an eye on them, keep checking them. They can take up to about 30 to 40 minutes, sometimes even longer. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut these in half because we like to cut these up and put them in a curry or a pasta or something like that. So I'll get these cut up, I'll cut them in half, chuck them in the air fryer, and you can see how long they take in there. Okay, be back shortly. Okay, so there's our pork sausages all cut up. And give them a bit of a shake, get them all levelled out. Okay, right, so let's get this switched on. Right, I'm going to do air fry. I'm going to keep it at 200, just get a bit of heat in there. And then I'm going to take this down. I'm going to do it for 10 minutes. See how we get on with that. We can check on them and we can just do them for a bit longer if needed. Okay. Okay, right, this is 10 minutes. And I think you'll agree that they are cooking nicely. I think, I don't know, maybe another 10 minutes and they're going to be pretty much there. So obviously I haven't put any oil with these ones as I did with the wedges, because they will sort of produce their own oil, especially being cut in half as well. So I'll bung these in for another 10 minutes and I think they'll be done. Okay, I haven't altered the time at all. I just thought we're halfway through our second 10 minutes. And I'll just give these a little bit of a shake so they're cooked evenly. But as you can see, I mean, they're, well, I mean, down to personal taste, of course, but I like them a little bit more crispy than that. But I'd say they're definitely done. I'm going to put them in for the remaining 5 minutes. And I think that'll definitely be there. Okay, well, as you can see, they are cooked. So 20 minutes and you've got nice sausages. I mean, I've cut them in half, of course, because these are now going to go in a sauce, but you can keep them whole, and within 20 minutes you've got sausages, you know, some rolls, you've got yourself a hot dog. So there you go, sausages in the air fryer. Enjoy.